How to turn off auto updates on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto updates on Android. To turn off auto updates on your Android device, first of all, you will need to open your Google Play Store of your device. Once you open it, here in this page, make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, a pop-up menu will appear. Now from here at the very bottom, you'll be able to see the settings option. Simply select the settings option and here you will reach to this section. Now in this menu, you will need to look for network preferences option. Once you get it, simply tap on it to open it and then there you'll be able to locate auto updates app. Now you just simply need to tap on this option and in this page, here at the bottom, you will be able to see the option Don't Auto Update Apps. Now you just simply need to tap on this option at the right side, select the circle and then return back. This will help you to stop the auto updates for the applications. Also, if you would like to disable auto updates for only the specific applications, then you can come back to the previous homepage of this Play Store and then tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Now in the search bar, search for any application that you would like to disable the auto updates. Once you search for it, tap on the app icon to open it. Here I have selected WhatsApp application. You may select any other application based on your preference. Now once you open this page, here at the top right, you will be able to locate three-dot menu. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to find the option Enable Auto Update. You will need to simply tap on the checkbox at the right side and uncheck it if it has been checked. Now we have successfully turned off auto updates for this specific application. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off auto updates on Android and control how updates are applied to your applications. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.